that you do. My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay.
Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. As you can see, the captain is back. I'm steering the ship, and today we are in a Japanese garden, and we just thought that today is quite a great day to come here and actually see what this garden is about.
I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others.
So after exploring the Japanese gardens, we then had to go back home, and I had to film a video, and I had to call it a day.
You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do.
So on this particular morning, I then decided to make us some coffee, but I really didn't feel like having our normal Nespresso coffee. I decided to make this filter coffee that I had to make using our little plunger, and then afterwards I just went to join Tebo in his office. We had a little catch-up session when we got there while just sipping on some coffee, and I decided to also add a bit of cinnamon on our coffee today because it just adds a little bit of a kick of flavor.
Misunderstandings and words unspoken, we fall apart, and I won't dare to say, do you feel the same way? Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. Cause I don't wanna waste my time. Same way, then don't pretend that everything's okay. Don't string me along the way you do. Just let me get over you. Maybe you don't wanna know, you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. Cause I don't wanna waste my time.
one of Tepo's favorite breakfasts is oats, and so on this morning he decided that he was gonna make oats for us. I'm not really a fan of oats, but I decided to give it a try just this one time. So he went on ahead and added some bananas and blueberries on top. I have no idea why he made that streamline of of blueberries, but anyway, I kind of enjoyed the oats, but they still not my favorite thing.
I don't wanna waste my time. No, no, I don't wanna waste my time. Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me?
After breakfast, I then went on ahead and got ready for the day, and then I just wanted to show you guys my outfit. This is a little two-piece set that I got from Mr. Price, and it is hugging me in all the right places, girl. So I really enjoyed this set. It was so cheap. I think it was about 120 rands, and it looks stunning. And then afterwards we just decided to drive out to go get some groceries for the coming week, and also I wanted to bake, so I needed some biscuit mix to use to bake with, and then we just had some cookies afterwards and we called it a night.
Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody. Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got it? Our lines crossed. We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter, while wishing for something better. I try to fix things that weren't broken, misunderstandings and words unspoken. We fall apart, and I won't dare to say, do you feel the same way? Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. 'Cause I don't wanna waste my time.
butter biscuits came out beautifully and they were so delicious. I'm definitely buying that mix again. I definitely recommend it. So thank you guys so much for watching this little vlog of mine. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.
If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. 'Cause I don't wanna waste my time.